Okay, time for day 9. Please don't be another int code problem. I'm gonna guess, I bet it's gonna be a graph problem, but we'll see what it is. Alright, here we go. You're joking. Is it another? It's another int code problem. Really? Alright, let's have a look. Relative mode. Okay, so let me go back to my common, and we're going to add a new mode. So we got a relative of int, and so the parameter is interpreted as a position relative the relative from the relative base. The address the relative mode parameter refers to as itself plus the current relative base. So this is so how do we get the relative base? Opcode 9 adjusts the relative base by the value of its only parameter. So what we need is a relative base. And so it's going to start at 0. And so what we're going to do is I think that's what it's asking. So we also have a adjust base of param, and so that is going to be opcode 9. And it's going to no, I want to do state with relative base is equal to state.relative base plus, what does it do, sorry? It adjusts it by. Okay, so it's plus the get val adder state. And the state with memory equals map.add. So this is I, which is plus state.relative base, I guess. And what else doesn't work? Is there anything else that's failing? I think that's it. So let's run today's. Actually, I'm going to go copy day 5's, because that's probably going to work a bit nicer. And what are we doing? Are we just run until halt? See what that does. The output's 0. Two. Okay. Oh, I forgot to hold on. Okay, so let's try run it on this. See how that goes. What's it trying to find? It's trying to find k of 100, but what's my stack? Okay, so what we need is a thing here to match map.try find, and that's I, and that's state.memory, and that's going to be option.default value 0, and it's the same here, except it's I plus the states.relative base. So, and then that should work, right? So that it outputs itself. So maybe it's fine now. Maybe it's okay. We'll see. 1102. Isn't that what I did? Yeah, I did that already. Okay, so it's not 1102. Oh, okay, we need support for large numbers. So I'm going to change it all to int64. So this is an int64. Let's just see what breaks. Actually, let me just replace int with int64. How about that? Is that gonna hurt me? Okay, come on. And this, I'm just going to do that. What else here? I'm going to start off as that. What else is breaking? Is it because that takes in and prem modes.i come on, what else? So many things, just fix them all. I knew this was bound to happen, but okay. Come on, any more? Up here. What's wrong? Here. Okay, what's wrong now? What? This should work. There's nothing wrong, right? Come on. Okay, screw it. Oh, I know what it is. It's because it was called int code, and I've just renamed it to int64 code. That is hilarious. Okay, let's try run now. It's going to complain about older days, I think. Is it not? Come on, what's wrong? Oh, I know what it is. Please be right. No. What's wrong now? Ah, screw it. Day 5. This is what happens when you share code. And I gotta change the runner too so that it works. If this is what causes me it, then I'm gonna be annoyed. Please work fine. No. Oh wait, that's fine. I don't mind. What? Come on. What goes in the input? Oh, we need to provide the value 1. Man, this is taking so long. What's the immediate? No, I need to write L. Please work. Okay, part 2. Okay, so I think it's now, this is the system ID, and this is 2, and so this is going to take a little longer, right? Ah, okay, that worked. 77 and 70. I was expecting to have to debug that one, but I guess not. I'll take that. Cool.